This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing the 3 highest impact tasks and committing to the first one now. Close unrelated tabs, silence notifications, and arrange your workspace so nothing tempts you. Once done, start a focused block of 25 to 50 minutes with a visible timer. This creates urgency and a natural endpoint. Make sure to schedule a short walk or stretch break after each block. That break preserves attention and prevents decision fatigue, so you can return fresh. You now sustain momentum by committing to single tasking. Focus on one clear deliverable per block and resist adding tasks. If interruptions happen, jot the time and pause quickly so you can return to the task. That log reveals recurring waste patterns. Once done with a block, review progress briefly, adjust the next block, and use an accountability partner or an app to report results. Social commitment raises follow-through. Make sure to vary task difficulty so energy matches the work. You finish each session with a concise 5-minute review. Note wins, identify roadblocks, and write the next actionable step so momentum continues. If your focus falls below about 70%, change block length or alter break timing. Small tweaks restore flow. When time wasting persists, diagnose. Is the environment the issue? Is the task poorly defined? Or can you delegate or automate parts? If nothing helps, switch location and try a single, distraction-free sprint. This often breaks the pattern.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.